Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. Yesterday we produced fire honey. Today I'm doing the tasting and the testing. So join me and let's see how this stuff works out. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm here with you today to show you my test and taste of the hot honey I produced yesterday. So yesterday, we produced about, I'd say 75 bottles of this hot honey. And today I'm here to taste it and see how it is. This was a great seller for me at the farmer's market last weekend, and I expect it will be this weekend. The orders continue to come in on our online site, and this is going to be a really, really good product. Now this is vacuum packed, so we get a little whoosh when we open it. And it's absolutely beautiful. I mean, this is a great looking product. And it's going to prove to be pretty hot, I think. So, I'll take a little bit. And pardon me if I put it on my hand there. Wow. This is hot. It's sweet. And oh so tasty. This particular honey is made with yellow habanero peppers. So it has a little more heat than you typically get in fire honey. I think it's delicious. I think folks are going to love it. It's going to be exactly what they expect out of me because it's exactly like the last that I made and sold to them. So this is wonderful. This is going to be Alabama hot sauce, fire honey. Wonderful product, great on fried chicken, fried pork chops, tacos, really good on pizza, but especially good on warm buttered biscuits. So all right, folks, I appreciate you joining me. If you will, take a moment to subscribe to my website, give me a thumbs up, and ring that bell so YouTube will know to notify you each time I produce a new video. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to our channel by pressing the little logo on the screen. In addition, I provided a couple more video suggestions I think you might enjoy. Once again, thank you. We'll see you next time.